Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best foldable laundry baskets is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for modern homes, especially for those living in apartments or dorms where every inch counts. Imagine a laundry basket that can effortlessly expand to hold your weekly wash and then collapse down to a fraction of its size, easily tucking away into a closet, under a bed, or even behind a door. These innovative baskets are designed to streamline your laundry routine, making it less of a chore and more of a breeze, all while keeping your living space tidy and organized. They are a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their storage and minimize clutter. Number 5. SAMMART 42L Collapsible Plastic Laundry Basket. Meet the SAMMART 42L Collapsible Plastic Laundry Basket, your new solution for laundry day. It offers a generous 42L capacity to handle all your washing needs. This basket features a user-friendly pop-up design for instant use and collapses flat for effortless storage. It's designed to make your daily chores more convenient. When folded, it's only 2.7 inches high, saving over 70% of storage space. It's perfect for tucking away in closets or under beds, keeping your home tidy. Equipped with comfort grip handles, carrying even a full load is easy and reduces strain on your hands. Transporting laundry, toys, or clothes has never been more comfortable. Its sturdy and structured build ensures it maintains its shape, even when holding heavy items. You can rely on its long-lasting performance for years to come. Beyond laundry, it's ideal for storing toys and clothes, or as a handy organizer in your car trunk. Keep any space neat and organized with this versatile container. Crafted with BPA-free materials, this basket prioritizes your safety and well-being. You can use it with confidence for all your storage needs. What we like? This one features comfort grip handles, making it easy to carry even when full. It also boasts a BPA-free construction for safety. If you prioritize ease of transport and safe materials for your family, this is a great choice. What people say. The collapsible design is the real standout. It folds down flat, which makes it incredibly easy to store in a closet or between the washer and dryer when not in use. Despite being foldable, the basket feels sturdy and well-made. It easily holds a full load of laundry without bowing or feeling flimsy. This is a great basket for laundry. It can collapse for space saving or when you open it up has a very large capacity for a lot of clothes. Number 4. House Again Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper, Black. Introducing a laundry hamper designed for durability and convenience. It can hold up to 48 pounds, thanks to its strong polyester mesh, high-carbon steel frame, and reinforced handles. Keep your space fresh with its breathable mesh design. This feature improves airflow, preventing odors from building up until laundry day. This hamper pops open easily and stands on its own. When not in use, it folds flat in just 5 seconds, making storage incredibly simple and space-saving. Loading clothes is a breeze with its wide opening, easily accommodating a week's worth of laundry. A handy side pocket keeps small items like socks or laundry pods organized. Beyond laundry, it's perfect for organizing toys or crafts. Its portable design makes it ideal for home, dorms, or travel. We guarantee your satisfaction and are here to help with any issues. What we like? This option offers a breathable mesh design to prevent odors and reinforced construction for longevity. It also includes convenient side pockets for small items. If you're looking for a hamper that stays fresh and keeps your essentials organized, especially in a dorm or travel setting, this is the one. What people say. The collapsible mesh laundry baskets are perfect for transporting clothes and towels. The sturdy handles make carrying them a breeze, even when fully loaded, and the side pocket is a fantastic addition for storing small items like detergent pods or dryer sheets. The hampers are lightweight, easy to pop up and fold down, and take up minimal space when not in use. The strong mesh material feels durable and well-made, holding up great to frequent use. They hold a ton of clothing. They are collapsible. They are easy to transport, and they are strong. They look a lot better than other inexpensive hampers, and I like that they are made out of mesh, so they do not store bad odors for dirty clothing. Number 3. Laundry Turtle Large 26 Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of laundry day hassles? Introducing a revolutionary solution that makes transferring clothes from washer to dryer to drawers a breeze. Say goodbye to lost socks and dropped items forever. This innovative hamper simplifies your laundry routine. Easily carry your clean clothes without losing a single item, making laundry day less of a chore. It's designed to work with any front-loading washer and dryer. Available in 2 sizes, it ensures a perfect fit for your appliances. Streamline your laundry process with this smart design. Simply place it in your machine, rotate, and gather all your clothes at once. It's that easy. Crafted from premium, durable lycra, this basket is built to last. Its foldable design makes storage simple, ready to pop up whenever you need it. Eliminate back strain with this clever hamper. It allows you to scoop up your laundry with ease, avoiding the need to bend down. What we like? This product is designed to fit directly into front-loading washing machines and dryers, streamlining the transfer process. It also eliminates the need to bend over, saving your back. If you want to simplify your laundry routine and avoid physical strain, this innovative basket is perfect for you. What people say? It has made moving laundry from one place to the next so much easier. I especially love that I can slip it right into the dryer, spin the drum, and scoop the clothes straight onto the turtle. It saves time and keeps everything contained without clothes falling everywhere. When I'm done, it collapses down easily and does not take up much space. Makes removing laundry from dryer super easy and only one trip. No more dropping socks and things. I like it comes with a hanger also to attach to the dryer or wherever. Say goodbye to bulky, hard-to-store laundry baskets with the Laundry Turtle Small Collapsible Laundry Basket. This game-changing laundry solution makes transporting your dirty clothes to the washing machine or dryer a breeze. It's incredibly easy to fold down for storage when not in use, saving you space and keeping your laundry room looking tidy. Number 2. BALEINE Laundry Hamper with Lid. Introducing a laundry basket that blends seamlessly into your home decor. Its elegant design features a natural bamboo rim and a sturdy internal structure that keeps its shape, even when empty. This large hamper offers ample space for all your laundry needs, from clothes to bedding. The lightweight lid opens and closes easily, giving you quick and convenient access whenever you need it. Crafted with a sustainable bamboo rim, this laundry basket is built for durability and strength. By choosing this eco-friendly option, you're making a positive impact on the environment. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, or dorm rooms, this tall laundry basket is a versatile storage solution. It's designed to meet your needs wherever you place it. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? This hamper offers a generous capacity and features elegant bamboo pole handles and a lid. Its sturdy internal support ensures it maintains its shape. If you need a stylish and practical solution for a larger household or want to keep laundry out of sight, this is an excellent option. What people say? This hamper is sturdy, holds a lot and easy to move toward my washer when it's time to do laundry. It has just the right height, is very lightweight, easy to assemble, and holds a great load of his clothes before I need to wash. Works perfectly in my bathroom, which is mostly white. Fits a lot of clothes and perfect if you wear bulky items like hoodies. Not too heavy even with clothes in it, and the bamboo handles make it easy to carry from my bathroom to my laundry area, which is just a closet outside of the bathroom with my washer-dryer. Number 1. CleverMade Collapsible Laundry Tote 2-Pack. Introducing the CleverMade Collapsible Laundry Tote 2-Pack. These versatile bins are perfect for all your storage needs. Each tote boasts a generous 50-liter capacity, easily holding large loads of laundry or various household items. When not in use, they conveniently collapse flat, saving you valuable space in your home or vehicle. Use them for laundry, organizing your car trunk, or decluttering your dorm room and RV. They are perfect for any space. Crafted for durability and designed in a sleek charcoal color, these totes blend functionality with modern aesthetics. Simplify your life with these essential storage solutions. Keep your spaces tidy and organized with ease. What we like? This is a pack of 2 collapsible totes, offering great value and versatility for various storage needs. They are perfect for laundry, car trunks, RVs, or general home organization. If you need multiple, flexible storage solutions for different areas of your life, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say? They fold up easily and the sides stay up until I fold them down. It is lightweight and easy to carry. It's not bulky. It's very easy to handle. Being able to fold them flat is wonderful because I can put them behind my door and they don't take up precious space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.